Okay. Here is a Mowgli and Valoo and Ka. Okay, here I draw the Ka. So Ka is like this. Make the circle first. Start. Okay. Drawing. Like this. Here circle after circle do this. Understood, beta? Anubhav now? Yeah,
Yes, sir.
okay, nice. Nice, nice. You really understood because I make some one more interesting cartoon. It's called. So we are creating like this. One eyes, two eyes like this. One and two. So do like this. Okay. This is Ka for this movie called Jungle Book, and this is actually snake. Okay. And the snakes first make like this. These eyes. Okay. Yes. And then you can go ahead to snake. This is class going on for kids, so you can do it. So this is the movie called Jungle Book or Mowgli. So we can create the this is the safe. So snake is moving like this. And here you can create So now we are creating this another characters over here. Okay, in this movie, this is called the Sher Khan. Okay, so I just making the Sher Khan and this both are talking each other. So how to draw the Sher Khan? Make it like this. Okay. Yeah, camera is okay. I hope that. Yes, Anuva, beta, show your drawing, please. Okay. Oh, very nice, Anuva. It's good. It's good only. Yes. Fine. Okay. So now after that, they're creating here this Sher Khan. The Sher Khan is drawing is like a little bit of okay. You just leave and again join beta. It is okay. It is visible. This is Sher Khan. Okay, like this. Make first circle and then after that this and there. Okay, this is Sher Khan. Do it like this first, okay? Srijani, if you want to show your drawing, can show. If you finish, then fine. Otherwise, continue. So first make the shape, basic shape after the circle. Okay. So now after that, we are going to like this. Yeah, finished. Now I can see. Some device. But here it's visible clearly. I don't know why it's happening. Now it's visible. No or yes? No. Not visible. But I see yours. Okay, you are on your video. You on your video. I want to see your tower. The internet tower is weaker. No, I'm not seeing. That's why your tower is your tower is not strong. That's strong in now. Maybe that's why it happened. This kind of things. Okay, it's quite natural. You wait few minutes or your device. You off your device completely and on your device again, and that is can solve maybe. If another problem is happening, yes, it's for junior class. It's a junior class batch beta. You just wait. Yeah, it is not your. Yes, it is not. It is junior. Yes. One movie called the Jungle Book. That's movie from to this. Yes, sure. Anubhav understood. Yalini understood better. Srijani.
Yes, sir.
Good. Understood how to draw this. The communication with the two characters. How make the animation movie? Yes. No, not over, but it's still going on. Just a few minutes. This is the big tree. Good. Well, strong. snake.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I show. A snake is. Okay, you wait few minutes. This is not your class work. It is for senior, junior class work. Yes. Yeah. Surely. Okay, you can make it some. This is tree in the jungle book. It's that snakes comes friends from. From top, you can create some leaves over here. Good evening. Good evening, beta. So I can wait over here. Just wait 2 minutes. We are still taking class for junior. This jungle, so we can create some jungle screen. Okay, here and there. So, some bamboo trees, leaves, and all. Okay, here and there. Understand? Yeah, Lini beta. So,
Yes, sir.
yeah. Okay. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's look like an animation drawing. Thank you so much. Yeah, this is. Actually, I'm an animator. Yeah, I love animation movie, and I'm an animator. I work animation movie last 10 years for Disney. I work in the studio of animation, and I'm working now in Disney Zoo. Okay. Bagheera. So we are doing the first drawing, this one. Okay. And this is the second drawing. This is... Yes, beta. Yeah. You can take screenshot after the drawing. Okay. Fine. So, okay, fine. We just